The Contra Costa County Fire Protection District has ordered immediate evacuations for the areas of Crockett south of Pomona Street. This is an immediate evacuation order.
Awesome.
An evacuation warning is in effect for other portions of Crockett. An evacuation warning means residents should prepare now in case an evacuation is ordered. An evacuation center for Crockett residents is located at the Hercules Swim Center at 2001 Refugio Valley Road in Hercules. For more information, go to cococws.us. Again, there is an evacuation order in effect for Crockett south of Pomona Street and an evacuation warning for all other portions of Crockett. This includes the activation of the emergency alert system.
Bro, that's scary.